Hello lovely audience, welcome back to another quick tutorial of Quick Guide. In this video, I am going to show you how can you create a group into Facebook. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Step 1. Open your Facebook application. Firstly, you have to open your Facebook application, and after opening the application, just simply go to your profile by tapping to these 3 bars into the top right. And from there you can see this group tab here, just simply click into that. Step 2. Create the group. Now after coming to group section, just simply click to this plus button into the top right side. And after that you can see this create a group option here, simply click into that. And after coming here you can see this name and privacy option here. You just simply have to enter a name for your group and then choose a privacy from here. You can make your group either public or private. And after choosing your privacy, just simply click to done. And after setting up the name and the privacy, simply click into this create group option down here. And after that, your group will successfully be created. I hope this video helped you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.